Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of wigs. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to press that like button. Press the like button now. I'm gonna give you time to press it. Press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, share my video, and hit the notification bell to see more content. The first wig that I will be showing y'all is a wig. It's a deep wave wig. And I will have a picture either here, or down below of the hair when I purchased it. And I used the, I went through Rakuten, which is a discount website that you can get. I went through Rakuten to Aliexpress to purchase each one of these wigs. And I always use Rakuten to make my purchases so I can get a discount off of my purchases. And I will leave a discount code for you if you use Rakuten. If you sign up for the Rakuten, you'll get $10 for a purchase of $25 that you purchase. You'll get $10 for it, and I'll get a commission for it also. And thank you all for watching my channel, and we'll begin with the wigs. This is the first one that I purchased. And I'm sorry I had unboxed this one, but I have two that I have not unboxed, so we'll be seeing both of those on video. And I will insert a clip, like I said, of this. So, and this is my first one. Okay, I'm finna. Wig came with a wig cap and some eyelashes. It came with a wig cap and some eyelashes. Here is what the package come with. It came with a wig cap, and it came with eyelashes, which they are right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the eyelashes, and it come with a clip for you to clip your hair with, your wig in. And it came with these eyelashes. And the next one that I'm going to show you is this wig. And it comes in a package like this, and all of them come like this. And it comes secured with a hairnet. And it looks like this. And this is a 14-inch here. This wig here is a 12-inch, I'm sorry. This wig here is a 12-inch. But like I said, I'll have the picture in there for y'all to look at. This wig is a 12-inch. This colored wig is a 14-inch. This one is a 14-inch wig, and I put it on the mannequin so y'all see how it looks on the mannequin. And all I have to do is just wet this hair and keep going. I just wet it and I comb it down and I keep going. And that's how it looks on here. Of course, I'm just showing you the unboxing, how it looks unboxed. But all you have to do is fix it up and you'll see me with these on from time to time. So you just put water on it and some mousse, water and mousse in a spray bottle, and you spray it down all over the hair, and it'll, you know, you'll see the texture in this hair. That's how that look. Okay, and this again is a 14-inch, and you see it come this far down the mannequin, whereas the other one, the black wig, it was I'll show you the difference. This is a 14-inch, and all of this hair again come from Aliexpress. So that's a 14-inch. This is a 12-inch, and this is how long a 12-inch is. See, the 12-inch stop right here, whereas the 14 comes to the mannequin's bottom end right here, the neck part of the mannequin. This is the 12-inch. The red hair is the 14. And again, I will have pictures of these. With the red hair, with this wig here, the package comes with curly rods. It comes with some eyelashes. And it comes with a wig cap. I'm sorry, the lightning is getting light on here. My battery is going low, so y'all, I'm gonna try to get all of them here. And here's the last wig. Okay, and this is the last wig that I purchased. And again, all the hair comes from Aliexpress. Please don't forget to like this video. Go ahead and press the like button. While I'm doing this, don't forget to like this video. Watch this video. Don't forget to like this video. Go ahead and press the like button. Don't forget to watch this video. So this hair here, this all it came with. And it is straight hair, it's not curly hair. And this is a 10-inch. And I put it on the mannequin and let you see how it looks. Of course, you'll see me wearing it from time to time also. But it looks like this. Very silky and soft. And this is 10-inch. So this is the 10-inch. That's the 10-inch. And y'all, please share this video. Comment down below which one you think you would wear. And until next time, NQ Vlogs logging off, I leave with you grace, peace, and goodwill. Don't forget to like this video. Bye.